Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Make sure to leave a big like and smash that subscribe button. And I'm going to read you The Parrot Who Learns to Speak. This book tells the story of a smart and singing green parrot who tries to learn human words because he does not understand what people are saying. He uses the words he just learned in the wrong way. He makes the woodcutter angry, and also he gets laughed at by his friends in the forest. Will he change his noisy habit because of this? There is a boastful parrot in the forest. Every morning, because others wake up, it sings loudly, disturbing everyone's rest. Magpies advise everyone is tired and wants a good sleep. Please don't wake them up. The parrot pays no attention. A pair of wild geese suggest your singing is good, but it would be even more impressive if you learned to speak. The parrot boasts with so difficult about that. Just wait, and in 3 days I will learn to speak like humans. It then leaves the forest for a place where people live. In a nearby village, the parrot observes children playing, hearing the dogs bark. The child quickly exclaimed, "Wolf, wolf!" The child ran home each other. The parrot memorized the phrase, "Wolf is coming," and "be careful," after hearing the child's mother caution him. The parrot thinks he is already great. Later, that parrot hears the child greet his father politely with, "You must be tired." Now the parrot knows 3 phrases and feels quite proud. On its way back to the forest, the parrot encounters a person working and says, "You must be tired." The person responds, "No, not tired." The parrot then warns, "Wolf is coming." The person looked around but sees no wolf. The parrot repeats, "Take care, take care." The person scratches for any signs of a wolf but finds none. The man is angry. Frustrated, the person accuses, "You liar!" throws a stone at the parrot, hitting its beak. The forest bird witnessed this, and many asked, "Clever singer, how's your human language coming along?" The embarrassed parrot, blushing, realizes it shouldn't have been so proud. Since then, the forest has become much quieter. The end.